Hi there. Okay, so you open up your Cricut software. I'm going to go to my project so I can get the canvas. Right, there's the canvas. Go to upload. Now, the first problem you've got with your file is you've saved it as a PDF file. You cannot open a PDF file in the software, so you need to convert your PDF file to something else. Now, I've already done that. I just took a screenshot of it and made it a JPEG file, and I sent it to myself. So click on it. Here it is. It goes green. And take it through. Now, to show you how I got it to this stage, I'm going to just go back slightly and I'm going to go to upload. Right. Before I created the file, see here where I need to bring the file into the software. There's the formats that it accepts. Now, I emailed it, so I'm going to fetch it from my download quickly. And that's the screenshot. Normally, you would just select one of these three. I just always take the same one. Now, in order to take away this background, all this stuff, firstly, I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to just select what I actually need of the file. And I'm then going to go to my tools and I'm going to remove my background. So now it'll be see-through. If I look at the preview cut here, it'll show you what it's going to cut. Just always check your file. I knew that this was here. In order to take that away, use your rubber and remove it. You can also make your file smaller here that you can see exactly what it's going to cut. Apply and continue. Now, when you get to the side, you've got cut image file on this side, and you've got print and cut this side. You're going to save it as a cut file if you want to cut it in vinyl. Change your name to whatever you want to call it, and upload the file. Once you've got it to that stage, you've now got it as a file on your PC in your software, all right? So I can click on it and I can now take it into my software. This is where I would take it. There we go. I knew that I had already opened it here. There we go. So you've now got it as a cut file. You would make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want to do with it. And you would then send it through to your actual Cricut to cut it. If you want to cut 2 or 3 or 4, change it here. Let's say you wanted to cut 8 of it. There it is. It'll cut 8 for you. And the rest is pretty much the way you do it normally. Hope that helps.